Good morning! Goeiemorgen! Guten Morgen, everyone. It's another day. It's a new life. They say every wake up is a blessing. Thank you, oh God. Here we are for a new day. Plan to do something today. Buy flowers for the garden after vacation. Now I have to do some things in the house. Buy some plants, put it on the pots. So here we go. Very nice. There we are, and we are going inside. We're going to find something that I can buy for my balcony. Okay. This is some of the flowers I've got here. But I have a lot already in my garden, so I have to choose another one, another kind actually. What I've got for the moment, and I have to find something else, maybe a little bit there on this side, which is cheaper. Plants are so expensive here, so this is what I've got. For the meantime, I'll go to the other side. Nako, gusto ko bilhin lahat. Ang dami-dami nila. Kakayanin ko kaya to sa sasakyan? Naku, Diyos ko. They are really a lot to buy. Tignan nyo nga yan mga guys. Gusto ko pa yung dahlia doon. At ito maganda din. Lahat maganda. Hira. Ang lola nagpa-panic buying sa halaman. Ano ba to? Lahat yan, gusto ko yan. Lahat yan. Ano ba yan? Ayan, ito na lang muna ang bibiling ko. Hindi nakakasya to sa car. It won't fit anymore to the car. So, this is all I've got. Now, I think I have enough, but I don't know. I have lots of pots outside. So, there you go. This plant coming back every year, and the rest they just died and freaking wasted up. So this is what I've got now. This is all for now. Sige na, we're going to put it all in the car. I hope nakasya siya sa trunk. least happy naman ang lola. Okay. Lalagay na natin siya sa car. Right. Open up the car. Alexa, open up the car. Ayaw mag-open up ni Alexa. Sana laging may araw na ganito. At ang gulo ng mga driver dito. I've got all my flowers. It's a good thing this morning was raining, and now the sun shines up, and at least you could do something outside. There you go. Whew. I am happy.
Flowers are so enchanting. It is a magnificent beauty. Flower comes in plenty of types, colors, and shapes that add to the beauty of nature and are very meaningful when communicating emotions. In the Netherlands, it is an important aspect of a Dutch economy. Flowers are so soothing in our inner peace, tranquility, and gives us smiles in our lips. So people, as we are like flowers, let us be bloom in full aspect